hiccup. She has hiccups. You have hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Okay. Oh. It's okay. What do you think about it, baby? You think it's silly? She's fine. She just has the hiccups. Very cute. Oop. And sneeze.